Hey, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to write some VBA that will allow you to refresh all the pivot tables on your ActiveSheet in one go. So on this tab here, I've called it raw data. I've got a basic kind of table on here. It's got dates, name, region, item, units, a lot of stuff that you might expect from a system run report that you want to summarize. So let's create a new tab and create a couple of pivot tables with summarized data. We'll call it pivot tables. Okay, select all the data in the range. And in this first one, let's have the name and the total cost. Okay, let's put a second pivot table in. And we'll do it by the item and total cost for each item. Okay, so now we're going to go into the Visual Basic editor. And we're going to create a new module, and let's call it RefreshPivotTables. And we'll define the dimension. So we'll define PT as being the pivot table. So for each pivot table in the ActiveSheet, it's going to refresh the tables. And we'll just add the loop in at the end, so that it goes through all the different tables on the sheet. In this case, we've got two tables here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is insert some new cells into the raw data. Okay, so how many rows do we have here? 16 rows. Okay, let's copy and paste this data up here. And that's going to change the values within the pivot table range. So now when we run the macro, it should update the pivot tables and show the new values. Yes, I didn't put a space back here. Put a space in. We'll try it again. Okay, there you go. Pivot tables are updated. So if you're doing pivot tables a lot, or you're doing many pivot tables on the one workbook, then a macro like this is going to be useful for you. So now you know how to do it, and thanks for watching.